Hazing is taboo or an absolute no-no in the affairs of the Philippine National Police. Hence, dozens of PNP personnel and a few officers in the island province of Basilan, to include the commander of the Region Mobile Force Battalion, are up for charges in violation of the Anti-Hazing Act of 2018, which carries serious penalties of jail time and monetary fines for transgressors. Orion Lasigas lays out the rest in this report.
The Philippine National Police or PNP is also planning to suspend the police officers involved in the hazing incident in Lamitan City, Basilan. According to PNP spokesperson Police Brigadier General Randolph Tuanyo, an in-depth investigation is being conducted on the incident. In fact, the number of police officers facing criminal charges has risen from 12 to 54. The number may still climb in the coming days. Those charged have also been placed under restrictive custody of the Police Regional Office, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region.
Ang preventive suspension ay pwedeng i-rekomenda kapag nag-commence o nagsimula na yung administrative case nila, na kung saan para hindi na sila magre-report sa kanilang mga duty at para hindi nila ma-influensyahan yung investigasyon.
From the said number, 13 are facing violation of Republic Act number 11053 or the Anti-Hazing Act of 2018, Section 14, Paragraph B. They are the ones who planned, organized, or had direct participation in the hazing.
Ang parusa po na maaaring ipataw sa kanila ay reclusion perpetua or pagkakakulong sa loob ng 20 years and 1 day hanggang 40 years. Sila din po ay magbabayad po ng fine sa halaga na 2 million pesos.
Included here is the police colonel/commander of the Regional Mobile Force Battalion, which allegedly ordered the beating.
Hindi po malinaw na verbatim ko ano po yung sinabi niya. Sinasabi lamang po na magmula nung dumating sa kampo yung mga nasabing mga 129 na mga patrolman natin, sinabi nila pumasok muna sa barak, itabi yung mga gamit, including yung kanilang mga firearms, at makaraan nung nang ilang minuto lumabas sila, mag-formation, at isagawa na yung kanilang prepare na welcome ride.
41 police officers will face charges under Section 14, Paragraph C of the said law. They are said to have been physically present while the hazing was being carried out, those who planned it.
Sila po ay maaring patawan ng parusa na reklusyon temporal or pagkakakulong po sa loob ng 12 years and 1 day hanggang 20 years po. At sila din po ay pagmumultahin ng 1 milyong pesos.
Finally, the PNP reiterated there is no place in the organization for hazing or any similar activity. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.